Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, December the 6th, 2023. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. The first puzzle is a 3 stars puzzle number 7572. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be actually a 2 stars puzzle, because the 3 stars puzzle has always 25. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 2 stars, for 26, 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright? So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 3. We have 2 and a 3 in the middle row, so no 2 and a 3 in these are 3 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4, 5. So again, 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 1 and 5 in this column, so no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Then, let me see. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between.
Mag ik ook op beeld? Mag ik ook op beeld?
The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Need 1 5. Missing 1 5. Okay. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the second row, in the row below. So the last row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the second column, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 in the last row should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. Now. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 1. I need a 1 here. How about the 6 in this row? The 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this third row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Need an 8 there. 8, 8, 8, 8. And I need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 2 should be there. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 147, 147, 147. Cannot fill this yet. That means that we have 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Yeah. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes, and there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, no, only 2 places left on the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? Let me check. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Need a 4 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in the third column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Well. Now. Need a 7 here. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6, 9, and 7. Well. 9. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So another pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For numbers, 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Alright. Okay. And now, let me think. Well. 3. Yeah. 7. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 7. Well, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left at 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third column. For numbers, 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7, the white. Next. Oh, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Let me see. Yeah. I'm thinking. Need a 4 there, and I need a 4 here. Alright. 1. Yeah, 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here on there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. 6, 9, and 8. Yeah, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the first row. Only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 6 in the 7, 6 in the 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 7 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now. In the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 6 and 9, we have a 6 now in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. 30 minutes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars because I'm faster than 40 minutes. 14, maybe 15, 30 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.